Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. I still remain your host, Luke Monday, all the way from Take Your Luggage, guys. So, guys, based on the last video which I posted with respect to the CAPES scholarship, or the right call, the PEG scholarship, currently ongoing here in Brazil. So many of you guys have reached out to me with respect to how to apply to this scholarship. So many persons are confused with respect to the application process, how to go about it. Okay, I say let me take it upon myself to somehow navigate the sites to show you guys how to apply to this. If you want to do it yourself, how to apply to this, how to apply for the scholarship and how to select the schools, what you need, the document you need, and how to go about it. So guys, I don't want to take much of your time. I just want to dive into this as quick as possible to share my screen with you guys so that you guys can see how the application process is being done. So guys, just stick around. Let me share my screen with you guys to show you how the process is being done. Okay, guys, currently now my screen is already shared. So currently I'm on the site now. Currently at the site now. I somehow create an account to be able to log into the site so that I'm able to do everything. So this is what you see now is sounds. This is the registration. You see that those pessoal. This is your personal data, your titles, information. So guys, this is how the portal is. So let me just go each and every details of it to show you guys how to go about this and how to fill the form and how to submit the application. If you want to do it yourself, you can. So guys, okay, this is it. And the good part is that at times, as you can see, we have it here in English, we have it here in Espanol, which is in Spain, we have it here in Portuguese. So we have like 3 languages here based on the intro for you to be able to understand each and every form you are feeling. So guys, okay, this is it now. This is it. So this is your academic grade, the school you have gone through the year of graduation, the courses you have taken. So this is the place you're going to enter all those details. This is the place you're going to enter all those details. The site is a little bit slow based on the site is a little bit busy based on currently. So guys, so these are the process. I just want to go through each and every. Okay, this is where you're going to enter your grade, your conclusion and process. So this is the place you're going to enter your schools and the likes. So now this is the studies, what you intend to do, your research, your title, the title of your research, you put in your title, the description, which is a summary, at least let it just be like 5,000 words, 5,000 words, you put it, the area of concentration, area of knowledge. So these are your schools. If you want to select school, okay, the bursa, the scholarship, if you are coming from masters, select masters. You select master's degree. It's a little bit slow, guys, so let's just give it a little bit patient. So these are the schools. You can select some of the schools based on the editor. If you see your schools, the course you want to take in any schools, you just pick the schools. And also the language fluency in language, you select the language you're fluent in. You just select your language here. So when you select, you save and return. So guys, these are the process. So from this, the document you need to be able to proceed with the application. So it's a little bit small, but it has opened. That's open. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, this is your history of your masters, your certificate of masters, your declaration of link with any company or school, your diploma grade, your project of research, guys. Like I always say, project of research, you need it. Your document of identification, curriculum lattice. You guys that are not in Brazil, you don't need this. You can use your own CV instead of this lattice. Lattice is just meant for people here in Brazil, but you can use it if you have your CPF anywhere you are. You can have your lattice CV, but it's meant for people here. Your proof of address, you put it, your school history grade, you put all. So these are the documents you need, guys, to proceed with this. So these are the documents you need. When you're through, you just finalize. You finalize everything. Like you see, I haven't filled everything yet. So this is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to be, guys. So once you're done, you declare that the information you provided are nothing but the truth. Then you finalize your registration. Then you send it. That is all, guys. You have applied to this scholarship. So you have applied to it. So guys, I just say let me bring this to your notice so that this can also help 1 or 2 persons that will likely want to apply to this scholarship. So guys, if this video really helps you, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and share it with others so that those people that are finding it difficult to apply to this can easily apply to this using this direction. So guys, see you in the next video. I just say let me drop this as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Remember blessed. Ciao from Luca.